The table shows the number of shares of each of the 5 stocks owned by Mr. Sammy. If Mr. Sammy was to sell 20 shares of stock X and buy 24 shares of stock Y, what would be the increase in the range of the numbers of shares of the 5 stocks owned by Mr. Sammy? So what are they asking for? The increase in the range. So we should have 2 ranges, and we want to take the difference between them. So we want range 2, that is after the change, minus range 1, because they tell us we have an increase in our range. We know we should have our range 2 first. So before a change even occurs, we should be able to find our range 1, our original range. So range is just your largest minus your smallest value. So that should be 112 minus 45. So what is that? So 67. And then what is our new range? So Mr. Sammy was to sell 20 shares of stock X. So that means we go from having 56 to having 36 shares of stock X and buy 24 shares of stock Y. So plus 6 plus 18. So stock Y goes to 118 shares. And now it looks like those are the 2 values that comprise our range. And so range 2 should be 118 minus 36. That's a little bit easier to do because I just got to subtract 18 twice. So 118 minus 18 is 100. Minus 18 again is 82. So the difference, or the increase in my range, would be 82 minus 67, which is 15. D.